Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Now, what we have here is some coins which I won the auction, and they're all UK half pennies, and there's a lot of them, around 750 grams plus. And now we'll open it up, we'll unbox it and see what they are. These are UK ones, and actually they're old ones, old pennies. Do like old coins, so when I see cheap ones, I'll try to bid on it, and yeah, I'm lucky with this one. So let's see what this. Here we go. Wow, it's a lot of them. A lot. Too many. Wow. A lot. A lot of them. See, I see Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth, 1962, and Queen Victoria, the latter one, I think it is 1898. They're all half pennies, by the way. 1938. I hope I find a rare one. It's 1935. It's just King George the Fifth. Oh, okay. This is an old one. It's 1848. It's a very old one. It's Queen Victoria. See the young Victoria. Wow, nice. Another Queen Elizabeth coin. We're not gonna see it one by one. Just gonna see what what mostly they are. But yeah, King Edward VII, King George V. Yep, Elizabeth. Oh, okay, another old one. 1863. Wow, nice one. Oh, this is nicely toned. King George, 1936. Very nice. Nice patina. Oh, this one. It's like a moss or something. It's an old coin as well. Elizabeth, King George. This one is oh, I can't see, but I think it's an old one. See, young Elizabeth. See the bun there, hair bun. Oh, this one. So George, 1883. So, see, young Elizabeth as well. Oh, young Victoria, sorry. Wow. 1955. And yes, there's no more Britannia. It's the ship there. 1911. 1928. King George. 1930s. King George V. Oh yeah. It's a young Victoria. It's 1863. Oh, this one is King George VI. 1945. 16. Oh wow, there is a lot of them, like the Victorian one, 1885. So but nice patina, nice grade on this one. It's 1958. Another nice one. See, 1967. Oh, it's an error coin, is it? Yes, it is an error coin, eh? See, look. Found a nice one, an error coin. Wow. Don't know the value of this one, but yeah, I'll have it separated. Elizabeth, 1932. Nice patina, 1967. Wow, it's a lot. It's gonna take us for a long time to sort this one out. See how many more? See how many more? It's a lot. It's a lot of them. And yeah, I like old coins, so I'll find time to sort what are they. I don't know, it's 1859 something, or 18, yeah, 59 I think. Old. Have a look at the Victoria ones. 1901. Yep, old Victoria. 1899. 64. A lot. Oh, this one has been a necklace at some point. They do that, eh? 1867. It's another one, another necklace, and it also have an inscription, JS. Yep, 1905. Can imagine, you know, some of these have been worn as a necklace, and wow, this one is very nice. Nice patina, 1965. See any more odd ones? Oh, 1926. Oh, what is this? Okay, 1926. 66. Nice patina. 11. 1930. Yep, another nice coin. 1964. 1916. See what else. Just have a quick look. Any odd things. Oop. So another Queen Victoria coin, old one from 1889. It's just like a shadow. Another old one, 1887, Queen Victoria. Yeah. Yep, this one. I don't know what this. It's like 1850 something, 1855 or so. I think it's this one is most. The old ones are much bigger than the lighter ones. See, but yep, all half penny. Anything else? Yep, that's a nice one too. 1903, 02, King Edward VII. It's 1944. King George. There you go. Oh, I don't wanna take too much time just to make the video longer. So just dig into it and see some of it. But yeah, this one particular, I see it's like this an euro coin, 1967, and I think it's the last one for this penny. Okay, there you go. It's a lot of them. I don't know how many. All right. Thank you very much, and I do hope you all have a good day.